Today's customer is talking to your organization more than ever across multiple channels. Between email, social media, web surveys, and call centers, the volume of feedback can quickly become overwhelming. Identifying actionable insights from the mountains of feedback is critical to the success of any customer-centric organization. Introducing SIFT from Acumen Solutions. Powered by Clarabridge and Salesforce.com, SIFT helps you sort, analyze, understand, and automate all of your organization's feedback. Using industry-leading Clarabridge analytics, SIFT applies an 11-point sentiment scale and detailed categorization models to transform data into understanding. SIFT then classifies, filters, and prioritizes your customers' feedback according to importance so that you can empower your team to remedy problems. Acumen Solutions SIFT automates your incident resolution process by enabling your team to engage with the customer. SIFT drives internal process by creating cases with priority, categorization, and sentiment details attached from right within the Salesforce Service Cloud. With greater insight and automated analysis, the right person now handles incidents at the right time. The result? Happier customers. From data to insights to action, SIFT is a complete solution to help you confidently navigate customer feedback to positively impact your business. Welcome to a superior customer experience. Welcome to SIFT. Contact us today for more information.